Hello y'all, I'm Chef Jeffrey back with another edition here of an old school soul food video. Hey, today we're going to be making something simple but something very, very, very important. I said very 3 times, that's how important it is. But anyway, we're going to be making old school chicken stock. Now this chicken stock, I never very seldom buy chicken stock in the store. I always make it, you know, a lot of it, chill it down and freeze it in bags. And then when I need chicken stock, I already have some. I make my own for 2 reasons. I know it's fresh. Number 2, I know how much salt is in it, and the flavor that I want is already achieved when I make it myself. Very simple ingredients. So we're gonna get started. The recipe, of course, like all my recipes, is at the end of the video description. You just scroll down to the video description and the recipe is on there. And please comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. Just don't watch the video and not subscribe, because I got a lot of awesome other videos up and more upcoming. So, like I say, this recipe is very simple. The chicken I use, another thing, I roast a lot of chicken. I got videos on there of my lemon roast chicken, herb roasted chicken. And after I eat my chicken, I save the bones. I put it in Ziploc bags and cryo vacuum food saver bags and freeze it. And when I get a abundant amount, I make my chicken stock from the bone. So it's just like nothing goes to waste when I cook. So I got a chicken here that I've had in the freezer about a month, and I thawed it out yesterday. And cause I know I'm gonna make a stock today. So what I do, I put this, just throw this chicken in here, the bones, everything. So I already roasted off. And if you don't have a chicken roasted, you can use chicken legs. You can use chicken thighs, whole chicken, cut it up, put it in there. You can do that too, but it's best if you got just the bone part. That's where all the flavor is. So say I got the chicken in there, I got celery. Celery just rough chop. You know, all you do is wash the celery very good and chop it up. I use the leaf of the celery. I use the ends, everything, because you're just making a stock. Carrots the same way. I wash the carrots and just cut them. I don't peel them. They don't have to be perfectly diced. You just want to rough chop them. I even use the end. See the end of the carrot? I even use that part. So you make it. Onions the same way. I don't peel the onion. I just cut it up, chop it up, and throw it in there. Peelings and everything. So you put that in there. I use about 3 or 4 bay leaves. A couple of bay leaves in there. Not too many, about 3 or 4. And some kosher salt I put in there. And it looked like a lot of salt, but it's really not, because once it's cooked down, you'll see it'll be perfectly seasoned. Then all I do is fill it up with old water, and we're gonna let it simmer on the stove here. What we're gonna do, we're gonna bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, we're gonna reduce the temperature to just a simmer. And we're gonna let it simmer for 3 to 4 hours. And that's gonna be it. So we get this thing, we're gonna get it completely full, all the way to the top where no more water can get in it. And you also can put cracked black pepper in it. I don't do that. I just use salt. Okay, that's it. Already filled to the top completely. I'm gonna put a lid on it. And when this thing comes to a boil, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn it down to where it simmer, and I'm gonna let it simmer for 3-4 hours. No, minimum 3, maximum 4 hours. And we'll be back in about 3 to 4 hours. I'm gonna show you how to do it, how it come out. All right, y'all, we back. And this has been the chicken stock has come to a boil. And as you see, I got it turned down to a nice simmer. And this is what you want. You want it to simmer. I'm gonna let that simmer. I took the top off, but I just top off so y'all can see how it look. But I'm gonna let it simmer another 3 hours, just like that. Low and slow. And all that flavor from the onions and celery and carrots and bay leaves and the roasted chicken bone, all that's gonna have an awesome flavor. And this is what I'm gonna use. This is what I'm gonna use from my old school giblet gravy, old school dressing, my chicken and dumplings. I use this. Anything that requires super chicken stock, this is what I use. So anyway, I'll be back in we're gonna come back a little later on, about 3 hours, and I'm gonna strain this into another pot and let it cool down, and then later I'll just refrigerate it or freeze it. And that's it. We'll be back later. All right, y'all, we back. It's been simmering about 3 hours. It's reduced a little too. So this is what we got. Nice, rich stock. Look at that chicken stock. Nice. Okay. Now, what we're gonna do here now, we're gonna strain this up here in a pot. Pour this in, strain the liquid off. Okay, here, just pour it right in the strainer here. Alrighty. Awesome. And this is what we have here. Nice, rich, look how rich that stock is. Nice color, not a lot of fat on it. That's why it's important to use chicken bones and not the whole chicken, because the whole chickens have a lot of fat on the skin. You're gonna have a lot of fat in the rendering. So this is what you have here. Nice, flavorful. Let's taste it here. I wish you could smell this with the bay leaves and carrot, onions, and celery and all that. It smells like Thanksgiving in here. Oh yeah, this is nice. So like I say, this is my main staple when I make homemade chicken dressing, homemade turkey dressing, homemade giblet gravy. When I make giblet gravy, this is the main base right here, the chicken stock. So anyway, try this recipe out. I know it's just a simple thing, but it's important when you have a good flavorful stock when you're making other ingredients. Because if your stock is not good and flavorful, your other things that you're making with it is not going to be good. So this is very key ingredient. So please share this video, comment, give it a thumbs up. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day.